In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a Discord account in 2025. So first, what we'll do is we'll go to the App Store and we need to search for Discord. So go and search for the Discord app and you can then download it. From here, what we'll do is we'll create our account. Once Discord has been downloaded, we can now open it and this will take us inside of the Discord app, obviously, and it'll give us two options, either register or login. We're going to click register, and you can either register with a phone number or an email. I'm going to register here with an email, and I would honestly recommend you do that as well, because you change your phone number, you might lose your SIM card, you might get a new number, but your email you usually always have access to. You can always add a phone number later, so I'm going to add in my email here. Now we've done that, we'll click next. It's then going to ask us for a display name. This doesn't have to be unique, so I'm just going to put here Bradley, then we'll click on next. Now what we can do is we can choose a username. Now this does have to be unique, so I'm going to choose a username. So I'm going to go with YTBrad, which seems to be available, and we're now going to enter in a password. Okay, so now I've done that, we can now click next. Enter in your date of birth here, then we can click on confirm and create an account. Now we've done that, we're going to fill out this CAPTCHA and prove that we're a human. And there we go. I'm going to turn on and allow notifications. I'm going to click skip to find your friends. And I'm going to skip help people find me. I'm also going to just choose a default Discord avatar. We'll go with this one. You can click on the plus icon though and upload your own image. Right now though, we'll just skip. And there we are. We've now created our Discord account. Now we can click add friends. And if you have a username, you can add people via their username. You can also click on the plus icon and create your own server. Or if you have an invite link, you can click join a server and join a server that way. That's basically all you need to do. I hope that quick video did help you out.